We hiked up.
Oh, that's a good sign.
But it was worth it.
Don't move into Daddy's feet. What's Daddy doing?
Strapping in.
Is he boarding down?
Yeah, that bit.
That's gonna look sick.
I don't think the lift's running. Look, it's not running. Oh, now it is. Oh.
All good?
Yep.
Love you, Daddy.
Stay there, Marley.
I'm a ladder.
I'll hike up with you. Yeah. If you go just a tiny bit further, you can do a jump off this cornice and I can get that whole bowl in the background.
Where you were there?
No, behind it. As you walk around a little bit, you'll see it. I'll come up.
Andy, just put your arms in the air. Like, woohoo!
Yeah.
No, just a normal shot.
Just,
I
no.
don't like fake shots.
Oh, they're all boring then. They're all the same.
Well, I'll take one with Daddy.
It's too boring for you, don't take it.
Do one with Daddy.
No.
Run.
Okay.
Right, then Marley, if you want to bring your skis up, you can actually start the run there. We can go down that way towards the resort.
So I bring my skis up there?
Yeah, just not this one. I'm just going to take a photo of Geordie.
Yeah. On a different run?
Whoa.
Will we hike up here again at all?
I don't know. Probably not. It's a big effort.
It was fun.
Good effort for you to get here. If you're really hot, take your helmet off.
No, I'm good.
Oh, that's better. You can start walking up. I'll take your skis, okay?
Yeah,
Take the skis for this bit.
I'll join them. I don't reckon the girls are going to hike up here.
See that big pillowy bit at the back? Yeah. If you go up a bit further and you do a drop off that, I'll take a photo of you in midair.
And I'll video it too because I'm currently videoing.
Oh, well done. How long's the video been going?
What a hike.
Hopefully you won't start an avalanche. Take your time, Marley, because we'll have to come back up with our boards to meet you, so you don't have to rush, okay?
Yeah. Maybe we could hike up some bits at some of our other resorts.
Yeah.
Maybe at Tamara or something. Or Forano. Big hike,
Okay.
but it's worth it.
Yeah. Showing your thermals. Just stop here and take a photo. We go a tiny bit further to the left. I want to get that massive bowl in the background. This bit here. Yeah, so I want to go. on this face of we should still get some fresh run all the way back down in there, and then we drop on that side back into the pool. So that's Anapuri over there.
Yeah, yeah, got you.
That's where we did the gully run.
When you start that there.
Now you get to, see that lip? You get to where that ends,
Yeah, I can see it.
yeah, and that's where the hike starts.
And then
You get to the building on top, yeah, can you see there's a little brick building on top? Anyone?
Jeez.
Yeah, so that's the hike point for it, and then you go around the ridge. So once you get to there, you've done all the hard work.
Yeah.
Then you start coming down here. Not too many people go as far as that, but see where all those people are hiking now along that edge?
Yeah.
Me and Scotty dropped in just below that, when it's there, and came along and along this open bowl,
Yeah.
and then back down in.
Well, tell me where you're going to stop the film. Where are you going to
Yeah, a little bit higher, just up on that edge. If it's not right, I'll come back down in a couple of steps.
I'll just give you my phone.
Ah, yeah.
What do you want me to put it on?
On my phone.
Just on film mode, filming mode?
I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah, right.
Can I take off my jacket?
Just have a rest. Just have a sit down on your bum in the smoky, buddy.
Let's keep going.
I'll go get it out. I'll do one more run to get the actual run started. You right there, little buddy?
Yep.
Right. Yeah. From right here. Is that in the background? That looks sick.
Come off this pillow here.
Yeah, or even the next one up. Whatever you feel comfortable.
Whew,
It's only super soft, so you're not going to like get yourself landed.
Yeah.
it's insanely
Just when
deep.
you do land, just hook round to the right.
Well, I have to close my thing, so I'll
No, just like do the run and then walk up. We'll go again. We'll actually start our run from here and go that way. So come back.
Alright, so when our camera, you know how you've got your video, photo and all that?
Yeah.
You just scroll to cinematic.
Yep.
So it's like one better than video.
Right.
And then if you bothered, click the HD and it will go to 4K.
Yep.
So I'll just leave it on that. If it turns off,
Yeah. I'll just click on that.
Yep.
And then is it going to film?
Well, then you click that and it will film.
Can you turn off my camera
Awesome.
right now?
What's that, mate?
Can you turn off my camera right now?
Yeah. Or do you want to film Geordie? Oh, we'll do a separate one for him.